What's up guys, que la que hay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 tips on how to start off your 2019 on the right foot. So if that is something that you would like to see, go ahead and keep watching. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you like this video. And if you want to go ahead and leave me some comments on any ideas that you guys would like to see me do a video on, go ahead and do so in my comment section down below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with my 5 tips. So these are just general 5 tips that you guys can use in your everyday life. Number 1, start off with positivity. Don't go into the new year thinking negatively. Oh, I'm just doing this because, you know, everybody else is doing it. Oh, I'm not happy for so-and-so. Oh, I don't think I'm going to make this happen, but let's just put it on there anyway. Don't think negative with the new year. Think positive things. Breathe positive energy into your life. Make sure that you're doing the things that are going to uplift you and make you better. So if that means waking up early, making your bed, going ahead and meditating, going ahead and working out, going ahead and reading self-development books, those things that will help improve positive energy around you, go ahead and do them. And even praying. Little details like that will definitely make a difference within your new year, within your mindset. Because let's be honest, there's nothing worse than being negative about every situation. So positivity is definitely something you want to breathe into your life. And I think we all at one point or another have been negative about some sort of situation. And definitely with the new year, what I am like striving for is just to breathe positivity into my life. So number 1, start off with positivity. Alright, number 2 is actually the last video that I actually created, which was creating a vision board. And as you can see, my vision board is right behind me. And with the vision board, it is crucial. Now, this is how I see it. You're putting these things on your vision board, things that you actually want to accomplish. And the way that I see it is you're kind of speaking it into existence. You want to see it happen. You want to see it manifest. It's something that you want to see yourself conquer. So with putting it on a board, it just helps you visualize that every morning and remembering what you're doing this for, what are you striving for. That way that you have something to look forward to. You don't want to be the person like I was last year when 2018 was finishing who was like, I wanted to lose weight. That was all on me. And yeah. Now, the second one is creating a vision board. Number 3 is to take time to focus on self-care. Self-care is the most important thing in anybody's life. And I'll tell you why. A lot of people are like, oh my god, you're wasting money on getting your nails done. If that makes you happy, go ahead and do it. Don't listen to what anybody has to say. Self-care is maybe getting your nails done, taking out time for yourself to make yourself feel better about your week or your day, taking a bubble bath in the bathroom, relaxing, lighting a candle, meditating, working out. Those things are really crucial for your life only because when you are giving yourself self-care, you're mentally right up here and it just manifests out into the world. So that is definitely a key factor that you want to include. If it's not within the new year, just with your life in general. You want to make sure that you're doing the necessary things in your life to make sure that you are self-happy and that nothing is standing in your way of that. And a lot of people, you'll always see somebody has passed away from suicide, you know, diving off of a bridge, or even just killing themselves off of anything you can think of because they're just not happy with themselves. So I am a firm believer that self-care is completely important for your life and is something that you definitely want to give time to. So number 3 is taking time out to self-care for yourself. Number 4, start a daily to-do list to hold yourself accountable. Now, I ended up doing this and it worked out amazing. Why? Because you're seeing it on paper and you're seeing what you actually need to do. With that being said, you're keeping yourself accountable on a daily basis. okay, today I have to go buy groceries. Today I have to meal plan. Today I have to get my oil changed. Today I have to, so you're keeping yourself accountable for the things that you are doing and making sure that they do get completed. Now, if you're a busy person, a lot of the times you're gonna have a list and you're gonna have 2 or 3 things that might not have gotten completed. But if you have a full list and got most of it done, then you're heading in the right direction. That's all that matters. So, number 4 is start a daily to-do list to hold yourself accountable. And lastly, number 5, worry less about people's opinions and more on your success. A lot of the times it is very easy to hear negative thoughts on what people have to say about your life, on what you're doing with your life, on the things that you're trying to accomplish for your life. Don't let that stop you from actually succeeding on what you want to do. Don't ever let anyone stop you from doing that. People are always going to say something about you. Whether it's good, whether it's bad, whether it's semi-good, no one is going to stop talking about you. People are always going to find something to say. So the best thing to do is to make sure that you're doing what you need to do for yourself and worry less about people's opinions. And I'll be the first to say that I've been in the position where I've even thought, damn, but they might be right. And something in my head clearly like just switches and it's like, no, they're not. Why am I even listening to them? So number 5, worry less about other people's opinions and more on your success. So yeah, I hope you guys definitely use those 5 tips for starting your 2019 on the right foot. I know every year you're probably like, I got New Year's resolutions from all the way until January 29th. Don't let that stop you. Go ahead and make sure that all your resolutions that you want to accomplish, you make sure that you get them done throughout the year. And I'm not going to sit here and act like I am doing everything that I said I was going to do, because I'm not. So these tips are also things that I'm going to be implementing to my life. And yeah, I decided to share them with you guys because it is stuff that I have done. I hope you guys definitely take these tools, use them to your liking. If you want to tweak some things around, definitely do so, but definitely start on the right foot. Make sure that each day you're making a difference, and don't just let it be because of 2019 starting. I know we always take that opportunity because it is a new year. It's not bad, but we definitely want to be better and just live a better day-to-day lifestyle. So yeah, I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. If you definitely did, give it a thumbs up. And see you in my next video. Bye-bye.